So what would you say is the best way for me to prepare for those runway
That's
bookings?
actually one of the most important questions. I am going to introduce you to my best friend, and her name is Jem, and she is my model bag. I take her everywhere. What we have here is my modeling essential bag. This is the most important piece of my job. If I leave this, which has never happened, I always, and this is important, I put it in the back of the car and I never take it out unless I'm at the job, and then it goes right back in. Never take it out, because I will tell you there are last minute calls. I will get a last minute, once in a while, email or text from my booker, Sandra, and I will have to leave from where I'm at and go to the booking if I'm able to. I have my bag, so I'm all set to go. So you can get this at any department store. Inside here are my shoes. You can be asked to wear any type of heel. You have your neutral nude. You have your black strappy sandal. I have my black flats. I have everything wrapped. I do not wear these shoes outside of a job. These are strictly for my bookings. So they're nice, and this is for the season that we're in right now, which is going to be spring. And then over here, inside of this part, I have my makeup. My favorite one is my makeup bag. And in my makeup bag, I have every color foundation, because you never know if you're tan, if it's summertime. I have my blending brush. I have bronzers. I have every different type of your eyeliners, your eyebrow pencils. Let's see. I have mascaras. Each one of them does different things, so I have to have them all. Let's see. Foundation. And then inside of here, I have my eyeshadows, because you never know what look you're going to need. I have most of the time it's going to be nudes. You want yourself to look very natural. So I have a lot of browns. This is very important, lipstick. A good friend of mine actually introduced me to this. You get every different shade. I have your red, every different type of shade of lipstick that you could possibly need. I have wipes to take it off, because you will have a different dress. If you have a red dress and you have to change into a nice spring dress, you need to take the red lipstick off. So there's different shades. And inside of here is my hair bag. And in my hair bag, you have hairspray. I have every different type of brush. I have hair twisties. If any of the girls need anything, I'm always the one that they come to. Hey, Amanda, do you have this, or this? I always have bobby pins, hair nets, just in case, someone needs something. But it's always good to have extras. So we have that. And then in here, I have, sometimes they want a big bun. This is a donut. You put this underneath and it makes the bun a lot bigger. More bobby pins. And inside of here, I believe is makeup. This is a makeup remover, because a lot of times during the season, you're going to have booking after booking. So you'll leave one job, let's say it's a morning seminar, leave the morning seminar to go to a show. You need to change your makeup because there's going to be a makeup artist there that's going to be doing your makeup. So you need to have makeup remover. I have makeup remover, the eye wipes, so that you're taken care of and you're ready to start your next job, nice, fresh, ready to go. Also have to have every piece of garment, nude, black. Also I have, covers, so that you're covering yourself up properly. Another important piece is you want to have a sheet or something that you can put over your face so you do not get makeup on the designer clothing. If you ruin it, you have to buy it, which you don't want to have to do that. So yeah, this is a very, very, very important piece of my bookings.
Thank you for watching us. Stay tuned for our next tutorial with an exclusive runway class. To become a PH Insider, subscribe to our channel below. See you soon!